Weaker technical forecast for GSS Infotech Limited as stock downgraded to hold, accumulate, updated on April 12, 2022. The GSS Infotech Limited stock price fell by -1.06% on the last day, Tuesday, 12th of April 2022, from A superscript 1132.15 to A superscript 1130.75. During the day the stock fluctuated 3.45% from a day low at A superscript 1130.50 to a day high of A superscript 1135.00. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 16.58% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 11,000 shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 69,000 shares were bought and sold for approximately A superscript 19.05 million. The stock lies the upper part of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at A superscript 1131.96 will firstly indicate a slower falling rate, but may be the first sign of a trend shift. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to fall -7.99% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between A superscript 180.29 and A superscript 1121.42 at the end of this 3-month period. Do note that if the stock price manages to stay at current levels or higher, our prediction target will start to change positively over the next few days as the conditions for the current predictions will be broken. Signals forecast. The GSS Infotech Limited stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at A superscript 1127.95 and A superscript 1108.48. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, April 11, 2022, and so far it has fallen -1.06%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and this stock should be followed more closely. Support, risk stop loss on the downside. The stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at A superscript 1122.10 and A superscript 1117.75. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, GSS Infotech Limited finds support just below today's level at A superscript 1122.10. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at A superscript 1117.75 and A superscript 1112.15. This stock may move much during the day. Volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved A superscript 14.50 between high and low, or 3.45%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 4.21%. The GSS Infotech Limited stock is overbought on RSI 14 and the RSI has been falling for the last couple of days. This together with the fact that the stock is in the upper part of the trend poses a possible good selling opportunity for the short-term trader. However, one should note that some stocks may go long and hard while being overbought. Regardless, the high RSI together with the trend position increases the risk in higher daily movements. Volatility should be expected. A correction down in the nearby future seems very likely, and it is of great importance that the stock manages to break the trend before that occurs. Our recommended stop loss, A superscript 1127.06, -2.82%. This stock has high daily movements and this gives high risk. The RSI 14 is 79 and this increases the risk substantially. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 1 day ago. Is GSS Infotech Limited stock a buy? GSS Infotech Limited holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy to a hold, accumulate candidate. Current score, -0.485. Predicted opening price for GSS Infotech Limited of Wednesday, April 13, 2022. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. Fair opening price April 13, 2022. A superscript 1132.08.